would have to be that there is hope. And I'd want businesses to imagine what that future could look like. And if we could, collectively turn this biggest challenge facing mankind into potentially our greatest achievement. So, think of the good jobs that we could create that are better for us, more greener spaces, cleaner air and water, and generally improved health and well-being. And I think of your local community that you'll probably all have spent much more time in over the last couple of years, as well as those communities that have previously been excluded. And imagine them being revived as we work together to sort of find solutions and opportunities in a thriving, regenerative economy. And what we do is important, but how we do it is equally critical. And we must make sure that this transition to a resilient net zero Wales is fair and just, enabling people and nature to thrive. And I think that is the most important thing that we can do. So it's not just as individual businesses, but working together to really help make Wales become a responsible business nation.